Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can change the orientation within the document so that you have some pages portrait and some pages landscape. I also want to show you how you can change the numbering for each of those elements. So first of all, to get myself a landscape page that doesn't affect this first page. So what I need to do is go to the Layout tab, and on there you've got Manual Break. When you click on that, it gives you this option, Page Break, but a few options. If I go in there, one of them is Landscape. So if I click on Landscape and then OK, that will give me a landscape page. And if I do the same thing again, Break, I can then go back onto selecting the default page style, which is that, OK, and then I've now got two portrait pages, and in the middle I've got a landscape page. Now if I want to have a document that's got three different types of numbering, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to get a blank document, Control N, to get myself a new file, and I'll repeat that process. To go back to Layout, I want to do a manual break, and the style, as I did before, is going to be landscape, but this time I'm going to change the number and it's going to start at 1. Okay, and I'll do that again, manual, and I'll leave that on default, change that to start at 1. Okay, now on the first page, if I click onto this little plus in the footer, I can add a number and it comes up with 1. On the landscape page, I'll do the same, insert page number, comes up with 1, and on that one I've already got a 1. So I want that to be 1, but I don't want this to be a 1 as well, so I want that to be an ABC, so I'm picking that up from this list. I've just double clicked on it, ABC, okay, so it's gone to a letter A, and this one I'll leave as 1, 2, 3, so it's on the page style, but I'll put it onto 1, 2, 3, okay, so that's gone on to 1, that's A. Now I want this to be Roman numerals, the top one, so I'll double click on this one, and I want this to be Roman, this one. Okay, so that's an I, that's an A, and that's a 1. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can have page orientation, portrait and landscape within the same document, and how you can change the numbers for each type. So hopefully that's been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.